Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, I rise to ask question number 66/2020, which is under my name in today's order paper. And the question is to the Honorable Minister for Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport. Can the Minister inform Parliament how many licenses have been issued to products and businesses under the Fijian Made by Fiji campaign since 2018? Thank you.
I call on the Minister for Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport, the Honourable Faiz Koya. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, sir, over the years, one of the main efforts of the Fijian government under the Fijian Made by Fijian campaign was to promote and raise the profile of Fijian-made products, both domestically and also internationally, sir, through a national branding strategy. And under that branding strategy, there were categories, and it was Fijian made, there was Fijian product, there was Fijian packed, there was Fijian crafted, there was Fijian grown, Fijian assembled, Fijian designed, Fijian sewn, and the latest is Fijian organic, sir. And from 2018 to date, Honourable Speaker, sir, a total of 341 businesses have been all been issued licenses under this campaign by the Ministry. And this brings the total number of businesses licensed to 686 with 3,482 products that have been registered under the campaign since its initiation in 2011. Mr. Speaker, it's actually really heartening to note that 69% of the total businesses registered are micro, small and medium enterprises, and 53% of those businesses are Fijian crafted licenses, meaning that we are providing market access and opportunity for ordinary Fijians, particularly women, and in the rural and maritime-based businesses. So just a couple other things with respect to that particular campaign. We, at the moment, we've also, the Fijian Made by Fijian campaign, the initiative, we've actually strengthened it. We're trying to do some more with it. For example, the campaign actually builds loyalty, and it actually also builds national pride for the Fijian products. And the campaign helps to reduce our rising import bills and the country's negative balance of payment position over the years, which is more so important now. We've started our recovery phase. The campaign actually keeps the money in the economy, Honourable Speaker, and it drives business and confidence and helps boost our public and private investment in the infrastructure and plant machinery, etc. Campaign also, Honourable Speaker, is now more crucial than ever. We are able to reignite some nationalism in Fijians to buy Fijian products and support Fijian businesses. And our trade commissions and our missions overseas are actively participating aggressively in promoting the exports of our Fijian-made products. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.
I thank the Honourable Minister. We move on to the next oral question. And I give the floor to the Honourable Veena Bhatnagar to ask question 68/2020. You have the floor, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. My question is to the Minister for Local Government, Housing and Community Development.